Well, that proved to be a difficult question to answer. It was not so much deciding to do what I do now as choosing opportunities offered. So there were many choices that led me to working as a scientist in Thornhill Medical. A major one was changing from electrical engineering and biomedical engineering to medical science. That was an opportunity offered by my master's supervisor, Dr. Edward Llewellyn Thomas. He was both an engineer and a medical doctor and encouraged me to pursue a doctorate degree in pharmacology. That started me into the world of physiology. And after many years as a professor running labs at the University of Toronto, on mandatory retirement, I asked Dr. Fisher if I could join Thornhill Research. And 14 years later, here I am. Well, engineers are trained to become problem solvers. And the physiology of the human body offers so many questions about how things work. I studied breathing and its control in my University of Toronto labs. And currently, I am using the RespRAC to determine how brain blood flow is controlled. Well, yes, there's a standout point that I thought of, and that was standing by in Toronto General Hospital operating room with the extracorporeal membrane oxygenator cart that I constructed for Dr. Joel Cooper, and watching him do the world's first double lung transplant. Now, we had previously used the cart in attempts to save the lives of patients with very damaged lungs, and succeeding in some cases. But he had now made the cart redundant with the advent of successful lung transplantation. A lesson learned. Well, my most recent publication was a mathematical model description of how brain blood vessels actually control brain blood flow. That is basic science in contrast to clinical or practical science, and provides an understanding of how the body works. Now, with that knowledge, physicians can devise treatments for brain blood vessel pathophysiology. That might be implicated in dementia, cognitive decline with age, as well as concussion damage, small vessel disease, and stroke. Yes, when I'm not working. Well, I've had many different hobbies through the years, and I once took a course on how to drive a railway steam engine, and actually did so. Currently, I am constructing a model railway in N scale, and making the model look as realistic as possible is the challenge. I also like to play guitar and sing, and for fun, I set up a YouTube channel with songs that my wife and I sing. We are both avid walkers and enjoy walking holidays in Britain.